morning, students. Welcome to our class Biological Science. Dear students, up to previous lesson we have discussed so many interesting topics that present in your 8th class textbook, biology textbooks. That is cell structure and functions, microorganisms, part 1 and part 2, lateral reproduction. After that we discuss about adolescence. In that lessons we have discussed that how organisms are multiplying their numbers, how they are producing their regenerations, what are the characters that present in that female ones or male ones, that means oviparous and viviparous. What are the changes that occurs in the body due to the adolescence? We have already discussed all these things. Now we are entering into another new lesson which is very interested to you. Okay, now I will explain about it. Before going into the class, I will explain a few things about the nature. If you observe the nature, a variety of life is present. A variety of life. A variety of life is present in the nature. Life means, don't you think the life what we have from the birth to the death, from birth to death, that is not the life. Here I am saying variety of life, the variety of organisms that present in the surroundings. Either they are animals or birds or insects or fishes or humans or microbes. The number of is there, etc. So, if we observe this nature, we all are stuck and wandered away by this variety of life. Animals. What are animals? We all know very well. Number of animals are present. Not only buffaloes, cows, tigers, lions, everything, all animals which have 4 legs, which cross on the ground, which walk on the ground, they are animals. Birds which fly, flightless birds is there, flying birds are there, fishes. Okay, na? So lives in water. Humans, we are the humans. Don't you think humans are the only life that present on the earth? A variety of life is present on the earth. Okay, so in this section we are going to discuss this variety of life. That is our lesson, biodiversity. Biodiversity and its conservation. Biodiversity and its conservation. Bio means life. Diversity means variety. Here conservation means protection. So in this lesson we are going to discuss that the life variety, the variety of life, and why do we conserve this nature? Why do we protect this nature? In this lesson, we will learn the importance of conservation and variety of life that present in the nature. Okay, before that, I will explain a story about a girl who is studying 8th class. Here the story about the Rani. Rani was a well-talented and intellectual girl. She is studying 8th class. Okay, na? She is 13 years old. Every Friday in her school, the nature prayer is conducted. You understand? Rani was a 13 years old girl, intellectual and a very talented girl. And every Friday in her school, the nature prayer is conducting. She attended the meeting. After coming to the classes, she just went on to have a notice board. So she looked at the notice board and she observed that there is a piece of paper that explains about the 100 species of the world, 100 species of threatening animals. 100 species of threatened animals. Threatened animals in the world. Okay, na? See, when look for have a look on the piece of paper, that species 100 species of threatened animals in the world. Okay, na? In this paper, she read out 4 species of India, 4 species which are placed in the world's 100 most threatened animals. 2 from Andhra Pradesh, 2 species from AP. Okay, 2 species from AP. 4 of India, 2 species of threatening animals from this AP of 100 species of threatened animals in the world. ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్నటువంటి 100 అంతరించిపోయే 100 జాతుల్లో భారతదేశం నుంచి 4 ఎన్నుకోబడితే 2 మాత్రం ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నుంచే ఉన్నాయి. You understand that? The 2 species are from Andhra Pradesh among the 4 in India, which listed in the 100 species of threatening animals in the paper which was published by the IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Zoological Society of London. Okay, na? International Union for Conservation of Nature and Zoological Society of London published this statement. What are the 2 species? One is Guti Tarangatulla. Guti Tarangatulla. Second one is Great Indian Bustard. Great Indian Bustard. Dear students, follow your textbooks. The pictures are there in your book. The Great Indian, the Guti Tarantula spider that found in the Nandyala and Giddaluru areas of Karnoolu and Prakasam. Okay, Nandyala of Karnoolu, Giddaluru of Prakasam. The spider Guti Tarantula is present. The Great Indian Bustard is located in the Pollanadu Bird Sanctuary of Karnoolu. So, Karnoolu, Pollanadu Bird Sanctuary of Karnoolu. Okay, so here, what is the interesting thing about the Guti Tarantula? The Guti Tarantula, scientifically known as Poecilotheria. Poecilotheria metallica. Poecilotheria metallica, the blue spider that present in the Karnoolu and Ongolu districts. It is selling in the online market of US. Okay, na? This spider is sold in the online market. It is selling in the online market. So we don't know about what is the importance of this spider, but it has the international market. It was sold in the online market. Okay, next one. The Great Indian Bustard, Pollanadu Bird Sanctuary of Karnool. It is located in that place. So roughly, if you notice that one, 50 to 249 of Great Indian Bustard are present in our country. So especially they are located in our Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. So in these 5 states, we can count these 50 to 249 birds. So for this great Indian bustards, in the Britishers' time only, the Britishers have given thousands of, approximately I don't know about it, thousands of acres for the conservation of these Great Indian Bustard. Thousands of acres in our Karnool forest, Nalamala forest. Thousands of acres for conservation of these Great Indian Bustard. As a humans, we don't know about the importance of this one. They all are involved in the maintaining of balance in the nature. They maintain the balance in the nature. Once you think about the spider, Guti Tarantula, Poecilotheria metallica is sold in the US market, online market. So, for high price, not 2 rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees. It is in the dollars, millions of dollars, thousands of dollars. Great Indian Bustard also. It is in the Britishers' time only they noticed the importance of this bird and they have given the thousands of acres, approximately 36 thousands of acres for this. Okay, na? Conservation of this bird. But what has happened? Deforestation and lack of the awareness on the biodiversity and firewood collections, establishment of thermal power stations, all are causes deforestation. These all are causes increasing of these, and not only these two, hundreds of animals are decreasing nowadays. Do you understand that? So the Rani was so sad about by reading this news. Among the four of India, two from Andhra Pradesh. So it was dinner time in her home. All the members in the home gathered and sat together for the dinner. At the time, Rani's grandfather asked again, "Ma, what has happened? What is going on in your school? What are the activities that are going on in your school?" At the time, Rani replied that, "Grandfather, I had read this news. Bhutitaranatullah and Betited bust are going to disappear from our earth." At the same time, her mother introduced herself, explaining about the quail, myna, crows, sparrows, which often appears to us in the society. Nowadays, we can't see that one. We are rarely appearing to us. So, what has happened? The biodiversity is losing. Okay, sparrows, parrots, crows, all are disappearing slowly, one by one, from the earth. So, what is the reason behind all these things? Once upon a time, the tribals who lives in the forest or who lives close to the forest, during the week time or once in 10 days, they arrange the Santa. Otherwise, they visited the homes of the towns and selling the honey and other types of ingredients which are available in the forest. Nowadays, they are also not appearing to us. They are also not coming to the societies to selling these goods. The rare cases, all the biodiversity is just disappearing. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss about the biodiversity and its conservation. Very important of the conservation. Once you look out different types of animals that are present in your surroundings, first you ask your grandfather, and what type of animals or birds or what type of life that present when he was like your age. Do you understand? నీ తాతను నీ వయసులో ఉండగా ఏ జంతువును చూసాడో అడగమని చెప్తున్నా. Ask your father what type of animals and birds life that present in his surroundings when he was like your age. And ask your father, and as you come to your age, most of the things are disappearing. Most of the things are disappearing. The best example is sparrow, Pitsuka. Yes or no? Now, come to the lesson. There is a variety of life that present around us. Yes or no? In the previous class, we discussed about microorganisms, which is not visible to us. Yes or no? We can see that organism only with the help of microscope. In that microorganisms only a variety of life is there. Bacteria, algae, fungi, virus, microarthropods. A variety of life is there. Like that, the animals which appears to us, those are not only animals on the earth, are remaining organisms also present in this world. So, variations in the organism. The first one is variations in the plants. Variations in plants. Plants also show the variations, means differences. Plants also show variations. Some are small plants, some are medium size, some are very taller. Yes or no? Some are shrubs, some are herbs, some are creepers. కొన్ని పొదలుగా ఉంటాయి, గుట్టలుగా ఉంటాయి, నేల మీద పోగుతూ ఉంటాయి. Some are taller plants. Some of them are flowering plants. Some are non-flowering plants. Fruit yielding plants, non-fruit yielding plants. Okay, so different types of plants. In the plants only we can see that some plants have the types of systems, root systems. We will learn about it in the 9th class. Okay, so variations in the plants, variations in the animals, different types of animals. Cows, buffaloes, lions, tigers, cheetahs, donkeys, bears. Yes or no? All these things. So variation plants, variation animals, variations in the human beings. See the color of the humans, some of them are white color, some of them are red color, some of them are grey color, different types of colors. Even though all are looking similar, but there is a lot of variations among them. If you take an example of human beings, take two examples. Take your brothers, that means that your sibling, your brother or sister, take that. You have some similarities with her. At the same time, you have a lot of variations. No one is similar in this universe. Even within our body, 2 hands, 2 legs or 2 fingerprints are not similar. Everything is unique in nature. Yes or no? So, because of that, a lot of variety of life is present in this universe. Here is one case study about the Ramagundam. Okay, I will explain about Ramagundam. Okay, na? In Karimnagar district.